Down, set.
Back to basics?
Back to basics.
Back to basics.
Basic.
Back to basics. I'm Pastor Josh Knab. Galatians 3, 6, and 7. Consider Abraham. He believed God, and it was credited to him as righteousness. Understand then that those who believe are children of Abraham. If you listen to these radio spots very often, you've heard me talk a lot about faith. And you might wonder when I'm going to start talking about stuff like loving our neighbor, caring for the poor, and living a moral life. Listen, I'm all for those things. Jesus was all for those things. But our tendency as people is to think that God wants us to do all those things to earn His favor. And that's just not true. God calls us to trust Jesus by faith. Faith is the first step of our journey, and faith is the basis for every step along the way. And faith transforms the Bible's moral standards from a crushing obligation to a joyful way of life. That's the way it has always worked, for Abraham and for us. So Jesus wants your obedience, but He wants your faith to make that obedience possible. You can watch Back to Basics in video on our church's website, mylandmarkchurch.com. Landmark Church meets at the Blair Theater in Belleville, 10:30 Sunday mornings.